Customize your drive in a Vistiq with driver modes. To start, open the Driver Mode app within your infotainment display. There are 4 different drive modes to choose from: Tour, Sport, Snow and Ice, and customizable My Mode. Selecting the info icon will give you an explanation of the mode and any helpful hints. Tour mode is the predominant mode for everyday driving, with tuning and calibration tailored for a smooth ride. Sport mode provides a responsive driving experience with improved handling and acceleration. Snow and Ice mode optimizes traction on slippery surfaces. For a personalized experience, use the customizable My Mode. This allows you to change characteristics of your drive, including steering response, suspension, brake and acceleration feel, and the electric vehicle sound enhancement. You can select between Tour and Sport settings to make it your own. To learn more about the Vistiq, visit Cadillac.com.